Ever found yourself staring at your brand new Westpac card, ready to conquer the world with your purchases, only to realize it's not quite ready for you yet? You swipe, you tap, you insert, and nothing. Or maybe you've just reactivated an old card and it's acting shy. It's a common little hiccup, but thankfully, unlocking your Westpac card is usually a breeze. You see, for your security, Westpac cards often come with a built-in sleep mode until you tell them it's time to wake up and get to work. This isn't a bug, it's a feature designed to protect your money from unauthorized use. Think about it, if your card got into the wrong hands before you even had a chance to activate it, that could be a major headache. So, this initial activation step is like giving Westpac a quick nod and saying, "Yep, this card is mine, and I'm ready to use it." So, how do you get your Westpac card up and running? Let's dive into the easiest ways to do it. The absolute simplest and most common method is to make a quick purchase using your PIN. Yes, that's right, simply use your card at an FPOS terminal or ATM and enter your PIN. This act of PIN a transaction signals to Westpac that the card is in your possession and you're authorizing its use. It's like the card's first official handshake with the banking system. You can even do a small balance inquiry at an ATM. Often, this is enough to trigger the activation. What if you're not near a physical terminal or prefer to do things digitally? Westpac has you covered. The Westpac One online banking platform is a fantastic tool for managing your accounts, and that includes card activation. Simply log into your Westpac One, navigate to the cards section, and you should see an option to activate your new card. It's usually a straightforward process of clicking a few buttons and confirming your details. If you've just replaced a card, this is also where you'd often go to activate the new one and potentially deactivate the old. For those who prefer the convenience of their mobile device, the Westpac One mobile app is equally powerful. Open the app, log in securely, and look for the card management options. Similar to the online banking platform, you'll likely find a clear prompt to activate your card. The beauty of using the app or online banking is that you can do it from anywhere, anytime, as long as you have an internet connection. Now, what if you've tried these methods and your card is still playing hard to get? Don't fret. Sometimes, technology just needs a little human touch. In such cases, picking up the phone and giving Westpac a call is your best bet. Their customer service team is equipped to handle these situations and can manually activate your card for you. Just have your card details and some identification ready, and they'll guide you through the process. You'll find their contact number easily on the Westpac website or the back of your card. Remember, keeping your card active and secure is a joint effort. Always protect your PIN, never share your banking details, and if you ever suspect fraudulent activity, contact Westpac immediately. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.